We all know the time is the most valuable resource of humankind that cannot be taken back. How much time is lost while working with under-digitalized processes? What about all the operational risks we are undertaking? What we are doing sustainable at all? How much carbon footprint are we leaving behind? How many features we have lost in our past? You cannot make up for a lost time, you can only do better in the future. To do better in the future, let's focus on how it's going in the insurance sector today and see how we can analyze, execute, and transform the future. Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a man named Alex who is working for an insurance company. His days were ordinary, like any other days. One day, an email received from a broker asking for group health insurance. It was easy, he thought. He printed out the first document. And it was easy until he faces the reality. There were tens, hundreds, thousands of clients and documents. Oh, poor printer! Hey, where is our man? Ah, there he is, stuck in the papers. What we were saying. More time, more paper, more work, more coffee, more risk. Working days and nights. Hey, wake up, Alex! Oops. And finally, it is just one click away. Oh my god, is it really finished? Yay! What? What is it? Oh no! This story may not end like this. As the Linktera4Insurance team, we focus on the digitalization of group insurance use cases for SAS Hackathon 2022. We have two focus areas, underwriting and automated claims management. Thanks to cutting-edge technologies gathered under SAS flag, we let the machines help people to decide. We assist people and companies in forecasting and decision processes. With the paperless workflow motto, we both speed up the process and reduce the operational load. And of course, we help with environmental sustainability. With automated claims management, we digitalize the document processing, automate workflow, and optimize decisions. Let me introduce our hero technology stack. We use SAS VIYA running on Microsoft Azure, and so, by dint of SAS Visual Analytics, complex data becomes comprehensible. The mass data are visualized by meaningful graphs and useful dashboards. Thanks to SAS Intelligent Decisioning, it is easy to build automated decision-making for continuous efficiency work. Machines do the rest. Last but not least, this is Neula, a low-code platform. With Neula, we can develop time-consuming and complex software easily in a short time. All workflows and user interfaces can be released within hours. Now, let's get into the details of these solutions. These platforms, which are connected to each other with APIs and work in real time, bring together information collecting, underwriting, pricing, agreement, and even claims management in a single paperless workflow. Parameters such as risk distribution, region, pricing are visualized with expositive dashboards and graphs. Calculations such as pricing, profit margin, expense ratio are made automatically and presented to underwriters on UIs. Let's talk about our starting point of the processes. Neula is a low-code powerful business application and process automation platform. We can build from concept to working application in few hours from scratch. By using Neula's drag-and-drop methodology, we can build enormous workflows just in a few seconds. And also, creating user interfaces is like rolling a log. We don't need code development knowledge. In this paperless insurance workflow, we digitalized all processes of a group insurance underwriting end-to-end. We have 5 particular roles with their own responsibilities: sales, underwriting, broker agency, company human relations, and employees. We start the flow with insurance requests and follow with the information collecting step. Company HR uploads a file that includes employee information, and platform executes this file and then sends an email to all employees. After getting a notification from the platform, employees can fill all of the required information, declaration statement, GDPR approval, and so on. The following step is reviewing and approving information. The flow goes to the underwriter to review the information and define exclusions. While underwriter reviewing, it is also able to see SAS Visual Analytics dashboard for details. After exclusions, the system calls SAS ID for the purpose of getting estimation, code price, profit margin, and so on. Also, it changed the path of flow with inner strategy rules. With the SAS ID's help, now underwriter can work on pricing easier, quicker, and more accurately. In the workflow, we can manage price offering, price change requests, bargaining, and even approving the offer. Now, let's deep dive into SAS Visual Analytics. We have leveraged SAS VIYA's high-performance data management abilities and easy-to-use dashboard building mechanism to create visually uplifted procedures for our insurance case in point. The insurance company user can see all the information about the client companies in one place. The user can filter companies by different parameters such as their ID, name, city, or category. The categories are defined according to the number of employees working in a company. The user can also use the slider to filter companies with a specific number of contracts inside a chosen interval. As the filters are selected, the dashboard areas update accordingly. Let's pick Istanbul. There are 126 companies that meet this requirement, and the category breakdown is shown in a pie chart. Selected companies are viewed in the key value area. The user can view key metrics which are necessary. The user can choose among companies in the list or export this list through Visual Analytics. The user can see the companies in a geographical view by choosing the map view here. We leverage VA platform functionalities by sending a warning email to the respective users. Choosing a company from the list, the user can move on to the company details dashboard. The user views key information about the client company, and below there are 3 charts related to company demographics. Pie chart representing the gender distribution. The second one represents the preferred hospital segment choices, and histogram of age distribution. For further investigation, the user can select any graph. There is the employee details list cleaned of personal data. This list helps the insurer to get a better understanding of the company and drill down into details if needed. Some key factors affecting premium amounts are the number of critical diseases and the real location of employees. Insurer gets a full list with a breakdown and a map view. Finally, the user views the answers to the GDPR questions by employees. Equipped with the right indicators, SAS VIYA becomes an intelligence center that leads a smooth way through contract life cycles. It is time to switch decision and estimation automatization. SAS Intelligent Decisioning delivers relevant, interactive, real-time decisions based on business rules and sophisticated analytics at scale to a limitless number of use cases. We are using this powerful decision-making solution to automate insurance underwriting and pricing decisions. Actuaries and underwriters could focus on other important tasks other than making a similar decision every day. Let's have a look at how we approach and get the benefit of this unique tool. We have integrated data coming from Neula provided by the broker and customer into SAS ID. This data includes information like a number of policies to be produced, genders of the policyholders, included benefits and the limits, preferred hospital segment, etc. We have also implemented insurance company specific parameters such as frequency and severity tables for chosen benefits, expense ratios, or profit margin. After gathering all required data and parameters to be used in the calculation, we use SAS ID rule sets to calculate the number of estimated claim cases, estimated total claims amount, and estimated total expenses. This step will allow us to calculate the claims that are expected to occur in the future. To be able to make a price calculation in other processes, we can create step-by-step calculations according to the rules in this way. Following the rule set design, we created a decisioning tree to be able to create a hierarchy for the rule set. Decisioning tree providing step-by-step calculations based on hierarchy so we can see each and every one of the calculation steps. As a result of the decision tree, SAS ID is calculating the final premium. In conclusion, by providing the required parameters and data, we can automate the insurance underwriting and pricing calculation. Insurance companies may choose to get the benefit of this tool to prevent human error, to provide a faster and more reliable quotation within minutes. And we can also extend our approach to claims management with capabilities integrated in Neula such as OCR and document understanding, and SAS ID's powered on decisioning. We have built a prototype for automated life insurance claims management. And finally, how do we connect all of these systems? How do we manage data fabric and serve our solution? SAS VIYA Platform is a one-stop analytical shop for all your data modeling, intelligent decisioning, and visualizing needs. It has a superior internal user experience by low-code, rich visual in-app analytics for less clerical work and personalized graphical user interfaces. By using Microsoft Azure, we can serve our solution as software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. These are the main ideas and prototypes that we built for SAS Hackathon 2022 to transform future.